All right, happy Saturday. We are back at it again today. We're gonna put the winch controller in right here. We're following another video where a guy basically used two metal brackets. It was a great idea, so we're gonna copy it. So we are fabricating the brackets right now, and we'll get the holes drilled and see how it goes. All right, we have the first bracket in. We wound up putting a hole in the top and then drilled it in and bent it on the bottom. I'll show you guys an up close of that. We're gonna follow that same pattern for over here because otherwise we would be going right into that opening right there. So we feel like it'll be a better lineup to just bend the bottom for it. Now we're on to the second one. All right, Joseph is fitting it in. Struggle a little bit with one of the bolt holes lining up. So we might have to open one of those holes up just a little bit more, but all in all, it's looking good. What do you think, Joseph? It's looking good. Okay, so we have the battery terminals wired up. We went ahead, I don't love it, but we put the switch, the Harbor Freight switch, on top of the fuse box. I'll eventually move that for an actual formal switch that goes inside the car. And then we've got it all routed. We're gonna tie the battery back down. Figured while we had it out, we would just clean it up. And so now we've got it run. We're getting ready to reattach the brackets that we made and painted. And once those are in, then we'll go ahead and also be able to finalize getting the controller installed. We're on our way. Boy, it's looking nice. Well, that's a wrap. We got the controller installed back in and it looks great. It works great. Accessible right here, so pretty easy to use. Right underneath the front. Obviously you can reach down in here to engage the clutch or disengage the clutch. All in all, I think it looks really great, but I'd love to know, what could have we done different? Did you see anything? Did you catch anything that maybe you would have done in a different way? If so, share it in the comments. Thanks.